Semi-firm density, foam roller offers a medium density with minimal muscle stimulation. Perfect size, 36-inch length allows for full body work to soothe soreness effectively. Loosen tight muscles, roll your way to a stronger, healthier you by helping to improve mobility and relieve stress. Includes 15-minute how to digital workout is included to help get you started. Dimensions, 36 liters x 6 diameter. Top reviews from the United States. Much better than the Amazon Basics version. I purchased this after being really disappointed by an Amazon Basics roll. This one is exactly what I was looking for, with excellent firmness. The surface has a great feel, nicely balanced between grippiness and smoothness. The 36 is the perfect size for chest flies, dead bugs, etc., and it's plenty wide enough to make rollouts comfortable, no matter how wide your stance. This is the same roller used in my physical therapist's office, and it's obvious why. Definitely recommended.